Hello, my name is Chris Edwards. I'm one of the instruction librarians at the Eugene McDermott Library of UTD, and in this video we will cover some of the ways you can get your textbooks at the library. Let's start by acknowledging some basic facts about textbooks. Textbooks are expensive. Textbooks aren't fun to read. And textbooks may never be used again. Which all means no one wants to buy textbooks. It's also a good time to talk about what you can expect from your textbook experience. In the ideal situation, you would have 24-hour access at your fingertips any time of the day with no complicated sharing. You can get this by purchasing your own copy. But if you want to avoid that cost, you may have to slightly compromise on convenience. The library staff does its best to balance this for you. Our preferred method for providing textbooks is as electronic books, which can be accessed online from anywhere 24 hours a day using your StudentNet ID and password. We purchase as many textbooks as we are able to in this format. Ebooks may vary based on publisher rules. Some allow only one reader at a time, while others will allow simultaneous readers. Some will allow printing sections or short-term downloads. Some have embedded search functions, etc. The first thing to do when finding your textbook is to identify your textbook. You can find this information via coursebook, as captured in this screen cap, the syllabus, or by asking the UTD bookstore. This is important because the library staff does not necessarily know the exact book needed for each of the many courses being taught every semester. Once you know the book you're looking for, you can easily search for the book using the search box on the library homepage, utdallas.edu/library. With short titles or those with common wording, it helps to include the author's last name to make sure that you find the correct book. Whether in print or ebook format, the title will show up in your search results if we have it. This screenshot shows what an ebook looks like. Below the title is displayed Available Online, and within the detailed record you will find a link labeled View Online. Your net ID and password will get you full access to read the book. Please pay attention to the ethical use restrictions listed. Copyright law still protects ebooks. As mentioned before, your ebook platforms may vary. Before you jump into a book, look for useful tools like search boxes or tables of contents. I have highlighted these on the particular screenshot shown. This screenshot shows a book which has a helpful display of exactly how many pages you are allowed to save or print. Some books may allow a temporary offline copy download, such as this one. We purchase the majority of our textbooks as unlimited access copies, meaning an unlimited number of students can use it at the same time, but some may cap simultaneous users. If you should get a message that says, "This book is in use," just try again a little later. If you need help, you can reach us using the chat box on the library homepage. We can help you with whatever you need. You can also contact us using the link in the video description. Thank you for watching.